Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Gemini Foilpress machine is a great companion to the Gemini die cutting machine. It allows me to add foil designs to my paper crafting, which is like next level crafting for me. It makes my handmade cards look so professional, and it's really easy to use. There's a switch on the side that you turn on, and then on the top there's a button that you press, and that begins to heat up the machine. It will beep and turn green when the machine is heated up. And at that point, you make sure that your plate is attached. Determine how long for your project you need to heat your die or stamp. I just plug in the number of seconds I want it to heat, put the die or stamp on the plate, hit the start button, and wait for it to go off. When you hear the sound, then you know to add your foil face down, then your cardstock or vellum or whatever it is that you're working with. Then you simply run it through your Gemini machine. Between the heat of the foil press and the pressure of the Gemini die cutting machine, you get results like these. Beautiful next level foiling, and I love adding it to my crafts, to my handmade cards or my journals, just to make everything look extra special and luxurious. And that's my point of view.